The TikTok creativity program is currently the most widespread way to make money online. I've noticed that AI videos, some of which may not be informative but are highly successful on TikTok, garnering millions of views. When I say millions of views, I mean millions. Just imagine the earnings they make from these views. Of course, I don't advise you to create trivial content, but that depends on the niche you choose. All these successful AI videos share 4 important elements: background footage, an impressive intro, clear voiceover, and dynamic captions. The second reason for their success is that they are easy to produce. You can create a large quantity of videos and schedule them. TikTok doesn't allow reposting videos from other platforms, like taking podcast clips from YouTube and turning them into short clips. While this used to get good engagement, it is not accepted in the TikTok creativity program. Pages like this one provide exclusive AI content, and despite their simplicity, they attract millions of views. So no matter what content you want to start with, AI news, stories, facts, motivation, you can create it in the same way I'll show you in this video. It will be accepted by the TikTok creativity program, and I'll share some secrets with you. I'm sure that if you follow them, you'll attract high views and earnings. We've reached 4,000 subscribers. Thanks for your lovely comments that inspire me to continue providing content you like. So please like, subscribe, and most importantly, activate notifications to get started. The first step is to create a TikTok beta account, but you must be from one of these 7 eligible countries: the US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, and Korea. If you are not eligible, you have 2 solutions. The first solution is to create a TikTok beta account using a VPN. This method has worked for many people from different countries, and they have successfully monetized their accounts. You can find numerous tutorials on YouTube explaining how to create a beta account for free using a VPN. The second solution is to purchase a new US TikTok account directly from trustworthy websites that sell these accounts. There is a well-known and I believe reliable site that sells us TikTok accounts without the need for a VPN. This way you can ensure that your account will be 100% secure and free from any risks. The website is associated with a highly recognized individual on YouTube, Dave Nick, who provides content about making money online. The site has good reviews that attest to its credibility. If any issues arise, they guarantee a refund of your money. TikTokaccount.com informs you that you can join the TikTok creativity program, beta, from any country, no VPN needed. The username and password will be sent to your email immediately, live without any delay. After acquiring your account, if you aim to target the USA to achieve the highest RPM, follow these steps. First, create content in the English language. Second, activate the VPN when publishing any video. However, the TikTok creativity program is still accessible without a VPN. You can also create content targeting your country in the language of your choice without the need for a VPN. If you purchase one US account, the price will be $29, and you will receive the account instantly. For purchases of 5 accounts or more, you will receive a larger discount, and the accounts will be delivered within 24 hours. I have provided a discount code for you, Minato20. By using this code, you will receive a 20% discount, reducing the price from $29 to only $23.96. I will leave the link for you along with the discount code in the description box. Think carefully about choosing a niche you love. That's the most important thing. Afterward, check if it gets significant interaction. You can do this on TikTok itself. I thought well and decided to name my page Did You Know?, where I'll share oddities and astonishing facts unknown to many. I know why I chose this content. It grabs viewers' attention, making them watch my videos to the end, significantly increasing views and engagement. After creating the account and choosing the niche, you need to write a short bio and design a profile picture. Ask ChatGPT to craft 10 short and sweet TikTok bios under 10 words, using emojis related to Did You Know facts. Then, ask it to provide 5 precise descriptions for a profile picture design showcasing Did You Know facts using an AI image generator. Now, let's try those descriptions on Ideogram. Copy the first description from ChatGPT and paste it into Ideogram. Choose the appropriate square size for the profile picture, click on Lucky Style, press Generate, and wait a bit. The result is surprising. Even though the 4 designs are simple, it's amazing how Ideogram wrote Did You Know on the image without errors. Let's try changing the style to see if there's a difference. The result shows that changing the style made a noticeable difference. Now let's try changing the description. Copy the second description from ChatGPT, paste it into Ideogram, and here's the result. This time the designs resemble AI and technology, and you can download any image you want for free. For background footages, it is crucial to grab viewers' attention and keep them engaged. You can find suitable clips on YouTube by searching for unique or entertaining content to use as backgrounds in your videos. You may choose to use motion backgrounds, such as the ones featured in my educational videos, or you can download captivating gaming footage from popular games like GTA and Minecraft, or even use nature, forest, and seascape videos. After downloading the background footages, the next step is to write the script. The most critical point to focus on is crafting a short and engaging script. Even if you're using AI to generate content, you must consider 3 elements while scripting. 1. The hook. This is the initial part of the script designed to capture the reader's attention and entice them to continue reading. It can take the form of a question, a surprise element, or a cliffhanger. 2. The body. The body constitutes the main content of your script, akin to the primary course of a meal. It is where you present the substantial information you wish to share with your audience. Think of it as the story you're narrating, the information you're elucidating, or the setup for a joke. 3. The call to action, CTA. The CTA serves as a friendly reminder of what you want your viewers to do after enjoying your script. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It can be as simple as like and follow, leave a comment below, or even visit my website to learn more. The most important part that you focus on and allocate the most time to is the first part, or the hook. I will give you 5 ideas for the best hooks that you can use to start your videos and better understand the meaning of the hook. 1. How? For example, start the video with a question like, how did I make $5,000 in just 30 days through affiliate marketing? 2. Best. For example, the best 3 methods to increase your TikTok followers for free. 3. Regret. For example, expressing regret such as, I regret spending $100 on this course. 4. Suffering. For instance, if your videos are struggling to get more than 300 views, apply this strategy. 5. Competition. For example, do you use Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut for video editing? After writing the hook, followed by the body and then the call to action, you now have a ready script. Adhering to this methodology doesn't prevent you from using AI for assistance, as AI is rich in information and sometimes explains ideas more professionally than my thinking. So, you can leverage it and ask it to start the script with specific hooks. Since I chose Did You Know content, I asked ChatGPT to provide me with some interesting facts, and one fact caught my attention. I improved upon it and started it with a more engaging hook.
Do you know what the most commonly used password in the world is, making it the least secure? If you know it, stop the video now and write it in the comments. Well, the most used password is 1234, and it is the most commonly used and least secure PIN in credit cards.
After writing the script, we need a professional voiceover for our videos. We'll use 11 Labs, which provides realistic-sounding voices. In the voice library, you can filter to find the right voice for your content. Choose the category gender, age, and accent. You can also select if you want it for narrative and story, informative and educational, advertisement, social media, and more. I'll choose Theodore's voice, then click Add to Voice Lab and Add Voice. Now, go to Speech Synthesis and choose the added voice. We'll find it here, paste the script, click Generate, wait to hear the voiceover, and then download it directly. Now let's open any editing software, and the recommended one is CapCut. Since we have no edits to make, we'll just upload the clip with the voiceover. Choose the TikTok format, trim a few shots from the video. I'll select about 2 shots. 2 shots are enough since the video duration will be 16 seconds. You can quickly add any effects and filters, then download the video. So, first we downloaded background footage. Then, we learned how to write an impressive intro. After that, we created a professional voiceover and integrated everything within CapCut. The final step remains, and if you don't do it, it's like you haven't done anything because the video will become more beautiful and dynamic. That step is adding perfect captions. So I found the cheapest AI tool that does this work at the lowest possible price, which is Autocaption.io. This website automatically writes text over the video, highlights keywords, and adds dynamic emojis. Imagine getting 100 videos for just $12 per month. I'll sign up for my account, add the video here, wait a bit, and here's the result.
Do you know what the most commonly used password in the world is, making it the least secure? If you know it, stop the video now and write it in the comments. Well, the most used password is 1234, and it is the most commonly used and least secure PIN in credit cards.
You have control over everything, editing the text, correcting mistakes, changing colors, and it offers various styles. You can also choose how frequently you want emojis. You decide, and then you can download the video and post it on TikTok. If you can't afford $12 for this tool, use CapCut because it provides free automatic video captions, although without emojis. It will take some time to edit the text because it's not as accurate as AutoCaption. Don't forget that AutoCaption is the easiest and gives you 100 videos without any hassle in this step. In the description box, I'll leave you the link to Autocaption.io along with a site for those who want to buy US TikTok accounts. And that's what I have. Thank you. This is Mr. Minato. If you like the strategy, give it a like, and most importantly, subscribe to receive my videos among the first. Thank you for 4,000 followers.